Yo, what's going on, guys? Andy here, back again with another video. Um, yeah, sorry I haven't been posting in a while, and I have like so many more subscribers now. It's actually kind of crazy. The tutorial videos that I made are going insane. You know what I mean? So, yeah, the trade of eight video, the first one that I did, and then the replicanta video, they're both gaining like a lot of attention, and it's kind of cool, to see that many views on this channel. I only made this channel 2 months ago, but yeah, I'm gonna be more consistent again, making videos. I just was not in a good trading place at all. I was just gambling, to say the least, and I like blew up all my funded accounts, and then like my personal account is also just down like 90% or something, and or 80%, and yeah, it's just not a good feeling at all. So yeah, I've been just taking it slow. I didn't trade all last week, and I got new evals this week. So I have 5 take profit accounts, and then I have 3 my funded futures accounts. Um, you know, uh, it's just, I don't know what it was. It's just when I get to the $52,000 profit mark, I'm like go into like pass this as fast as possible mode, and I take dumb decisions and gamble and try to make that $500 fast as possible. And it's just not how that works. If you didn't know, now you know. It's not how that works. You need to trade the same way that you traded the first 2,000 and the first 2,500, super carefully and all that. So yeah, so that's going well now. Took some time to reset. I know how to trade. It's just I don't know how to control my mind perfectly. You got to be close to perfect. They say you can't expect perfect, but you got to be as close to perfection as possible. Or else you're not going to do well in trading. So yeah, so I decided to preserve some capital and not just keep buying new accounts and blowing them same day. So yeah, came back on Monday and got these accounts. They're at 600 and 400. So I just need to make the bare minimum every single day. I just need one good trade with 8 micros to a mini and catch a couple points, and I'm good. Today I was done in like 8 minutes. You know what I mean? I just need to have a clear mind and play the levels perfectly. This morning I think I took a long, on the close of VWAP, and it worked out really well. It got out early, and then yeah, nothing else to say. Caught like 10, 15 points. I had a little loss. I was trying to make a little bit more, but I didn't want to get below 200 because I don't know what it is about the number 200. It's like a nice little number, and then I was in some crazy profit, like 500 on this, and kind of ruined it. Didn't take profits early. So yeah, I lost out on like $300 extra. So, if I had done that, my accounts would have been even, because I made a little bit more. I trade them separately. With Replicanto, it's cool and all, and I still have it, but trading it all together is just way too much for me. I realized that, so I need a little bit more practice before I put everything together and follow the same system and all that. And scalping, right? That's mainly what I do, and the fills are kind of bad. It's kind of sluggish. It's not bad. It's just sluggish to see those reactions. Like when I put in an order here, it's just moves so smoothly, and I can see everything happening in the chart, and then the whatever DOM, and I can control all that. But when I'm doing it on Replicanto, is not the same. The Ninja Traders charts, they do not move the same at all. So yeah. So I prefer using sorry, blanked out there. So I prefer using, Trade platform. It's my favorite. My goal is to like get payouts from all this, and also get a Top Step account. And even if I do Top Step account, I think I'm gonna have Trade as my platform. I do have my there's one thing that I wish they had was the lockout feature that Top Step has, or the Trade like live account has. Once you make a certain amount, it locks you out. Once you lose a certain amount, it locks you out. I wish it had that. It'd be much better. But yeah, it's not the trading. I just need to control my brain when I get close to passing, and not just shitting myself. You know what I mean? So that's what I need to focus on mainly. So yeah, but I'm back. I hope you guys, are enjoying the content, which you absolutely are. I have like 3,000 views on my Trade setup guide, which is crazy. And I have like almost 1,000, 868 views on my Replicanto guide, which is awesome. I get comments all the time, like when I log in, and I'm like, oh, thank you. And it's just so nice to hear, that's awesome. I never would have thought like, a bunch of people would watch my videos. This was mainly for me journaling my trades. So, yeah. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm glad you're enjoying the videos. I'll be posting more. I almost have 100 subscribers, which is crazy. I made this channel 2 months ago, so I'm already like doing so well. So yeah, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you, all of you. I hope you watch this till the end so you get my message, and I'll see you guys in the next one tomorrow. All right, bye, peace out.